Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is not necessary. In this video, I am going to explain built-in methods in list. So first, let me see one by one what are the built-in methods available in list. Okay, the first one is append, then extend, insert, remove, pop, delete, sort, count, index, and reverse. Sorry. So like these are the built-in methods available in list. Now let me explain one by one. The first one is append. Basically, append is used to add elements in list. Like how can we add? Let me give an example. For suppose if a is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay. Now I need to add 60 in the above list. Okay. For that, what I will be doing is just a dot append. Okay. Then enter the element, like which element you are to add. I need to add 60. Okay. Now if I execute this, sorry, if I were to print a, yeah, if I execute this, now you guys can see 60 has been added. Okay, like this is how like append will be used. And one more thing here is, here in while adding append, it adds only at the last, at the end of the list. It won't add in between the list. Okay, let me give one more example. Now let me take the same one, a dot append. If I need to add 15, okay, if I need to add 15, and if I print, you guys can see it's not added in between, it will be adding in end of the list. Okay, this is the one more important thing, like you have to remember. Okay, and in the append we can add only one element at a time. We can't add multiple elements. Okay, like if you want to add multiple elements, in that case you have to add by using list. Let me give an example of that also. Sorry, a dot append. Now what you have to do is write a list, and if you need to add 33 comma 50. Okay, and if I print a, you guys can see here it has been added 33 comma 50. Okay, this is how like you can add two elements at a time. Others, like if you try to add like 15 comma 16, they will be showing an error. See, list.append takes exactly one argument given two. Okay, so it takes only one. If you want to give two elements, you have to provide like this. Okay, yeah, this is about append. Now let me explain extend. So basically append and extend both are same, but in extend we can add multiple elements. Okay, in append we can add only one element, but in extend we can add multiple elements. So let me give an example for this. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, now a dot extend. If you want, you can add multiple elements. Print here. You guys can see we can add multiple elements in a list. Okay, the difference is here it's mentioned multi-dimensional. Like if you want to add these things in another list, it mentioned in the form of multi-dimensional, but it's been added in the same list. Okay, like this is how like the extend will be used, and it's also like added in the last of the list. Okay, now coming to next one, insert. So basically insert is nothing but in the presented list we can, like the existing list, we can add the new elements. Okay, for that purpose like we'll be using this insert. So let me copy this, the same list, let me paste it here. Like I will be writing like how can we insert that. So here we have to remember two things. One is in which position like you have to insert, means the index, in which index you have to insert and what value you have to insert. So I need to insert in the second place, okay, in the second index. So I'll be providing 2 and I need to insert 25, okay, 25 number like element. Then if I print this, if I print this, you guys can see it has been inserted in the second place, 0 1 2. Okay, like this is how like we can insert the new elements in the existing one. It is nothing but an insert. Okay, yeah. So and the next one is remove. So basically remove is used to remove the elements from the list. Okay, so let's say example a is equal to 10 20 30 and 40, and I need to remove this 20 now. Okay, I need to remove 20. So I'll be giving the element which I want to remove, and if I execute this, you guys can see the output 20 has been removed. Okay, the next one is pop. Okay, basically pop is also same as remove, but here we'll be using the index value to remove the elements. Okay, let me take the same example and let's run this. Okay, so pop, so here I need to remove 30. Okay, so index of this 30 is 2. Okay, and if I print now, guys can see 30 has been removed. Okay, and in pop I need to mention one more thing, that is, so when we provide empty pop, okay, when we provide an empty pop in the list, the last element will be removed. Okay, let me show an example of that. So now just I will provide the last element. Okay, let me print this. You guys can see I didn't give any element or any index to remove, but the last element has been removed. Okay, this is how pop will be going to use us. Okay, now let's see delete. Okay, delete is also same as this pop and remove. Okay, but here delete as like will be using index value to delete the elements. Okay, yeah, let me take the same example. So delete a of, so here we have to provide the index, so I need to delete this 40 now. Okay, the index of this 40 is 3, 0 1 2 3. Okay, yeah, so now if I print this, guys can see the output 40 has been removed. Okay, this is how delete will be used. Okay, now let's see sort. Basically sort is nothing but this is used to sort the elements inside the list. Okay, so let me take an example. No, don't want this. Let me create new one. So yeah, so 20 12 4. Okay, enough. Okay, now let me sort this. Just a dot sort. If I print this, you guys can see the output. See, the list has been sorted. 4 1 4 10 12 and 20. Okay, this is how the sorting will be working. Let's see count. Basically count is nothing but this is used to count the elements inside the list. Okay, and we have to provide which element we have to count. Okay, let me give an example. Okay, now what I will do, I need to count 30. Okay, I need to count 30. Now okay, don't want to print this. Yeah, so 30 has been displayed one time. Okay, so let me add two more 30s. 30 30. You guys can see, oh, provided 10 here, right? Yeah, you guys can see 3. Okay, now 330s are available in the list. Okay, yeah. So next, let's see index. Basically, index is nothing but index is used to find the element index in the list. Okay, let me give an example for that. Now a dot index. So which element I want to find the index? I have to find the 30th element. Sorry. Okay, yeah. So this is how like we'll be getting. See, the index is 2, 0, 1, 2. Okay, 30th element of the index is 2. And if I want 10, you guys can see 0. Okay, this is how like we can find the index. Okay, and now the last one is reverse. Okay, so basically reverse is used to reverse the entire list. Okay, let me give an example for this. So now I need to reverse this. A dot reverse. Okay, and if I print this, you guys can see the list has been reversed. Okay, 40, 30, 20, 10. Okay, this is how reverse will be used. Okay, yeah. So I hope you guys have understood about these built-in methods in list. Okay, if you have any doubts in this, please comment below. I will be answering all your doubts. Okay, yeah. Thank you.